Look! Spin the wheel and get a free toy. It just costs 1 coin. Exact change, please. Our favorite penguin girl, Gugu Gaga. Congratulations! It looks like twins. Let the sibling rivalry commence. Maybe a triplet will even the odds. Or would that be odding the evens? Hey, look, an egg! And it's filled with blocks. Maybe we can build them a sister. After all, they're penguins. They do come from eggs. Now that's what I call a penguin. So big you can live in her. We're even laying down the green carpet. They seem to like the grass, but they're penguins. We know that their real element is water. So let's make them a pool or bathtub or something. It's really coming together, but maybe add some sealant. Of course, we can't forget the most important ingredient, and that would be water. Cool, clean water. Come on in, girls. The water's fine. And papery. Oh, precious moments. Grab the camera. Of course, these girls are ice babies. We gotta make them a real cool tool. And maybe turn up the AC in here. We'll need to make some room on top. And no one minds a little branding. We're gonna need something to hold the ice. Now to try out our new dispenser. It works! Time to make things real cool. Guess these girls don't do jacuzzis. Of course, you're not fish. You'll need time on dry land. And what better way to spend it than on lounge chairs? Ice cream? Well, swimming's thirsty work. Seriously, all that water and not a drop to drink. So we're going all out with an entire ice cream stand. Are you a cone or a cup person? No wrong answers. We've got all sorts of flavors, from chocolate to mint. Plus a whole bunch of cookie toppings. What are we missing? Scoop! There it is! Quick, girls! Have a bite before it melts. So much to choose from! How about today's special? Let's try some butter pecan in a waffle cone. Some chocolate on top, plus a cookie roll and a wafer. How about pistachio and strawberry for you? I'll take pistachio and chocolate, the Dubai special. Uh-oh, someone's making a mess. Looks like we need a napkin holder. And napkins too, I assume. Either way, it's all just paper anyway. The Minion delivery service is top-notch. Get him a banana. Let's cut into squares. Fold it nicely. I hope this stuff is 2-ply. Okay, girls, let's clean those faces. And maybe get you some floss while we're at it. But you girls need to burn off some energy. Why don't we make you somewhere to play? We're gonna need to light things up. This place is gonna be lots of fun. But it also needs to look fun, like a great big blue penguin, complete with a friendly face on top. But we're gonna need some cushion for the pushing.
Wow.
Grab something spongy and cover with something silky. Wow! Your very own penguin fort! Let's just say forts are kind of our forte. Next up, who's up for a little foursquare? Just kidding, but we're gonna need 4 squares. Next, we're gonna need to bend them into 4 corners. First, make a cootie catcher. Now into a box. Next up, roll up another piece of paper. Make sure it looks like a long reed. But maybe trim a little off the top. Bring them all together. And we've got cubbies. Room for your penguin toys, yummy treats, and drinks that don't need to be refrigerated, apparently. Still, I would get to the pie sooner rather than later. Why don't we make time for arts and crafts? It's like Shrinky Dinks on opposite day. But our teddy friend could use some eyes and ears. A sunny disposition won't hurt either. Who says being a pizza face is uncool? Careful, don't let the moon hit your eye. We've already got the pizza pie. Wow, we've got our very own clock. I hope it's got a snooze button. Bears love to sleep. Orange size, the beach is like wandering the desert. Yeah, bury him in the sand. He needs a nap. Speaking of which, look who's up now. Oh, that makes you our buried treasure. But if you want to play in the sand, use a shovel. Can you dig it? Don't forget, it's important to hydrate. What did I tell you? Sand is no match for Ultra Orin. Wow, is he building a pyramid without aliens? Wait, no, it's a sandcastle. But what a castle! And Orin's the king of this castle.
Wow. Wow.
Hey, look, this beach has got a playground. Why don't we start with the slide? Ooh, climb up and see what it leads to. Wow, it's like your own tree fort. Not sure how we got here, but I'm not complaining. Ooh, a rock climbing wall, but wood. Come on, guys, let's take you to the romper room. Let's roll out the red carpet for you. Well, the yellow mat. 'Cause it's time we do some morning stretches. Sure, it's the afternoon, but we've clearly been busy. Hey, why don't you guys join us too? How about we start with a little weightlifting? See, you can get hurt if you don't know what to do. First things first, hydrate. Drink some water. Not too much. Oh, water's a terrible thing to waste. We're gonna need something to size things out. And look cute while doing it, like this bunny fountain. Just add the water and make sure it's screwed on tight. Now place the right amount in a right-sized cup and enjoy. But you know, exercise can be more fun with friends. Why don't we make this a workout party? Sure, all our friends have a bit of a soft touch, but something tells me the name of the game is wrestling. Of course, Gugu and Orin are our local heavyweights. Heavy lies the head that bears the crown. But somebody has to clean up all this mess. A camera? Did it record? We can sell the fight on pay-per-view. Or, you know, find out who did it. Never mind, a cartoon cloud covered it up. Hate when that happens. Either way, it's time to start the investigation. Where's Sherlock when you need him? Or Scooby-Doo? Aha! The usual suspects. Let's let the punishment fit the crime. The two of you need to take out the trash. Happy birthday! Wait, Mr. Black took all your money. How can we afford a party? Is this your venue? Well, it's cozy. It's okay. Everything's better with party hats. Besides, maybe we can whip up something with all this stuff. This cardboard can make a great 3-layer cake. Just don't forget the frosting. 1 layer for each of you.
Yay!
Add some candles so they can make a wish. Remember, you have to keep your wish secret.
Yeah.
Help this moment last forever with a photo. Uh-oh, it looks like you need to charge. You don't have your phone charger with you. That's okay. We'll just need to get creative. Like whipping up your own photo booth. After all, who doesn't love party photo booths? Come on, kids, step right in. There's plenty of room. We take cash and credit, also tokens. Careful with those silly faces. They might stay that way. Probably shouldn't have said anything. Why didn't you tell me the dancing started? Hey, what's this? Ooh, it's a toy car. Think it'll make a good birthday present? Maybe we should think outside the box. And by box, I mean cardboard. A whole cardboard play set. Lay down the tracks, and soon we're going places. Notice how you can't spell cardboard without car? And these speedsters are custom models. Come on, kids. It's time to play with your new toys. These cars don't run on gas, just your imagination. Oh no! Mom's about to take a little trip. Unfortunately, she's taking your new toy with her. Well, if these kids still have a need for speed, we can always make them their own set of wheels. Let's whip up your own wagon to ride. And it's gonna be a little blue coupe. Hey, it's Aqua. You think it runs on water? Ooh, Pinky's behind the steering wheel. But Mom's really the one in the driver's seat. Uh-oh, you hit a snag and ran out of fuel. Maybe Maybe this is why newborns usually don't drive. Calm down. If we don't have a gas station, we can make one. This place has got all the fuel you need. And our prices can't be beat. Try it out. Someone needs to push. Thanks, Simon. Oh, they dispense the gas for you, just like in New Jersey. Pretty soon, you'll all be on your way. A trip to the cinema's the perfect birthday treat. Need ticket money? Mom's got you covered. She'll make you your very own ATM. Granted, you could have just made tickets. But Ratty's gotta eat. Tickets, please. There's one for each of you. Find your seats. The show's about to start. But first, we gotta get the screen ready. We just need to get a spare lens. And of course, some handy-dandy cardboard. Now just pick a movie everyone will love. I'm hoping for something scary or a musical. Ooh, whatever this is, it seems like a fun watch. Of course, the important part's not the movie. It's the snacks you enjoy while watching said movie. So why don't we make you a popcorn machine? And look, Sky wants to help. He'll even add his personal touch. Now it's time to let those kernels flow. Would you like extra butter with that? There's more than enough to go around. Enjoy. There's more where that came from, too. Uh-oh, you guys are making a big mess.
Wow.
I mean, it's kind of expected for a cinema floor. Still, we should make something to help clean up. Hope our Pinky vacuum's hungry. There's a big lunch. Just kidding. She prefers nachos. She saved the popcorn so Mama can have a treat too. Hope you had a happy birthday. Just wait until next year. But next, let's take a trip to Sprunkyland. But where's the color? I think some locals can help us out with this. Come on, Pinky. Perk up those petals. You too, Durple. And Vineria can really show off that green thumb of hers. Okay, you go and bring color to Mole World. We gotta go help this butterfly up next. Orange seems traditional. Plus yellow and blue. That means we need Orin, Simon, and Sky. I'd say he's a monarch, because he looks like a king. But now, we gotta fix up this milkshake. How about we add Pinky and Aqua? How about some cotton candy flavor? Though we can't forget that cherry on top. Here's Ratty with the finishing touch. And look, we've got the crimson key.